guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a question I get asked a lot. In insurance, we have a limited premium payment term. Can we do something similar with mutual fund SIPs? The answer is yes. Let's talk about how you can invest for a limited time and still build wealth. Just like with insurance, where you pay premiums for a few years and continue to receive benefits, you can invest in a mutual fund SIP for a short term period and let your money grow over time. Just like insurance, with mutual funds, you don't have to keep paying forever. You can invest for a limited period and then let your money grow during a payment holiday or waiting period. Let's break it down with a real-time example. Imagine you've just had a baby. You want to start planning for your child's future, maybe for their education when they turn 18. But what if I told you that instead of investing for 18 years, you only need to invest for 5 years? Sounds great, right? Here is how it works. You decide to invest 30,000 rupees every month for the first 5 years of your child's life. After that, you stop. No more payments, no more SIPs. Now, let's assume the investment grows at an average rate of 12% per year. So, by the end of those 5 years, your investment has grown to 24 lakhs. And this is where the magic of compounding take over. Even though you stop making payments after 5 years, that 24 lakhs continues to grow at 12% per year on its own. You leave it untouched for the next 13 years. And by the time of your child turns 18, that 24 lakhs would have grown to 1 crore. Yes, you heard it right. 1 crore. All from investing for just 5 years. You don't need to invest for 15 or 20 years to hit big goals. A limited period mutual fund SIP can help you to accumulate wealth by letting your money grow with compounding. And who wouldn't want to turn a 5-year investment into 1 crore rupees? Sounds amazing, right?
A detailed blog post on this topic is available on our website and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goals, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial experts. The link to the free booking is given in the description below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description. If you like this video, hit like and share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.